evening. Teacher, my name is Anurakawat. My daily of routine. Wake up at 5 o'clock. I take a bath. 5:30 a.m. Go. I get ready. 6 o'clock. I have breakfast. 6:20 a.m. I go to school by bus. 6:30 a.m. I at assembly. 7:40 a.m. I start to study. 8:30 a.m. I have lunch. I have lunch. 11 a.m. I leave school. 4 p.m. I go back home. 5 p.m. I go to my homework. 8:30 p.m. I have dinner. I go to bed.